MBX is available for trading on P2PB2B. MBX, what is it all about? MBX, a gaming blockchain ecosystem launched by MBX, celebrates its multilateral status from all participants including publishers, game developers, service providers, and its users. The ecosystem not only encourages organic engagement from players but also rewards them for their participation. With MBX, the gamers can enjoy blockchain-technology-integrated MMORPG such as A3, Still Alive, Ni no Kuni, Crossworlds, titles with various genres to come in the near future. Games with blockchains issued for specific purposes have an exceptional value, so they'll be able to stay relevant and mature. How does it differ from others? MBX is a Clayton-compatible token, KCT, based on Clayton mainnet. Due to its high performance extensively, Clayton technology can handle lots of transactions. KCT uses the Istanbul BFT consensus algorithm and is a mainnet that's reliable and transparent. MBX takes advantage of KCT's strengths to handle high transaction volumes of game content quickly and reliably. Three elements make up the token ecosystem: the public token MBX, the bridge token MBXL, and game tokens you get from games. To create a sustainable ecosystem, each token has a circular structure. It's better to use multiple tokens instead of just one. Diversity can be kept. To offer games like MMORPGs, CCGs, and casual games, there have to be special attributes like user attributes, goods balancing, and game design. To make them work, they need to be developed in a way that accepts a variety of games and accommodates their special features. New games are easy to add. In single-token economies, one game dominates the value of the token. Costs and supply will make it hard for a new game to secure tokens already in use. So introducing a new game with existing tokens is kind of hard. Tokens encourage players to keep playing, so new games need to make sure they're secure. Having multiple tokens is better for sustainability too. MBX tokens are essential to the token economy. They help the ecosystem circulate resources and measure the ecosystem's value. By the way, MBX is available for trading on the P2PB2B exchange. If you're into this project, you have a great chance to join its community and follow it on social media.